Welcome to Submitting a Draw Request by North Oak Investment. Before we get started, it's important to remember that draws are a reimbursement of your costs for completion or partial completion of the items outlined on your budget sheet. We cannot fund work not yet completed. Only completed or partially completed line items on your budget sheet will be eligible for reimbursement. If you don't have sufficient cash, a line of credit, or access to credit cards to get started on your first stages of work, we suggest acquiring a Home Depot card, Lowe's Project Card, or any other form of credit. You can use your credit to purchase materials and pay the balance each month with the draw proceeds. If you make quick progress, you should be able to pay off your credit balances before incurring any interest. When you're ready to submit a draw request, go to www.northoakinvestment.com. On the home page, you will go to Client Resources and then Draw Request. Enter today's date. Enter the borrower's name as it appears on the purchase contract. Enter the property address. Now you will refer to the budget sheet you were given at closing. In this example, a draw was submitted for line 1 on the budget sheet, the air conditioning for $3,800, and you submitted photos showing the installed unit. The only other line item being submitted in this example is line 9, half of the interior paint, and you submitted photo evidence of half the interior painting done. The full interior paint value is $5,000, so you will enter $2,500 on the next available line. When you have entered all the line items you wish to be reimbursed for, scroll to the bottom of the page to see the total and submit the form. This video is part 1 of submitting a draw reimbursement request. Part 2 explains what photo evidence we need and how to upload the photos to us. That concludes the Submitting a Draw Request video. Thanks for watching.